Was Jesus a superman to be worshipped on high like God, or was he a loving man to be followed inside like God? Did he come to smash the law or to fulfill it with God's heart? Was he the only Son of God, or are we all God's light rays? Should we praise Jesus as though God, or praise Christ's heart? Consciousness, who is Christ? Is Christ God and Jesus God's vessel, as we all are in potential? Christ is God, pervading all, the Atman within, standing tall. Let us think and ponder these points. God will show us. Was Jesus a superman to be worshipped on high like God, or was he a loving man to be followed inside like God? Did he come to smash the law or to fulfill it with God's heart? Was he the only Son of God, or are we all God's light rays? Should we praise Jesus as though God, or praise Christ's heart? Consciousness, who is Christ? Is Christ God and Jesus God's vessel, as